Congratulations, you found us a source manufacturer for large and medium-sized rotary kiln. Our standard model starts from pilot run scale to large model with 2.4 meter diameter inner drum. We can provide gas heating and electrical heating source, which can meet multiple temperature and temperature heating zones. This is ICA 1.2 model electrical heating kiln with 1000 degrees rated temperature. It is designed with 5 heating zones, whose temperature can be individually controlled. Quick manual adjustment is also supported. Besides temperature, we can see that the transmission part is also different. Cold and hot part are rationally separated, which benefits long service life. Electrical components are designed people-friendly and materials used are very strong. All features make convenient to do future maintenance. We all know that investment is high for external heating kiln. It's a rotary kiln manufacturer with more than 20 years history. No matter from fabrication experience to installation operation technology, or provide you the best solution within your budget. We will always serve you stably and reliably, like our product all the time.